Hello, we are here at the Denago Experience Center to present a video installation of the Denago Folding model bike. Let's get started. Standing on the non-drive side, grab the seat with your right hand and the handlebar area with your left. Open the bike until a release mechanism clicks and engages. Secure quick release lever on the drive side. Next, lift the handlebar stem up and secure with the quick release lever. Insert the stem and handlebar extension, align and secure with the quick release mechanism. Next, locate the seat and seat post extension. Apply grease. Insert and secure with quick release lever. Step 4. Grab your pedals from the small parts box. Apply grease to the threads. Grab the R pedal and go to the right side or drive side. The right side pedal threads on clockwise or traditional threading. Secure and tighten with Denago pedal wrench. Grab the L pedal and go to the left side, the non-drive side of your bike. The left side pedal threads on counterclockwise. Secure and tighten with the Denago pedal wrench. Add the front reflector to either side of the monitor and secure. The handlebar stem area has a telescoping extension section. This is adjustable by using the quick release lever in the middle of the stem. To fold the handlebar stem area, note there is a quick release mechanism with the safety lock engagement. Pull up on the engagement lock, hold open, and pull quick release open. This will allow you to fold the stem. To collapse or fold your e-bike, locate the quick release mechanism by the crank. Push the safety engagement button forward toward the front of the bike and hold while opening the quick release mechanism. Push the front end of the bike to the left and it will start to fold with the handlebar on the outside.